You can broil yours for as long as you want. And the cheese, everything came together. What's up, Savers? I hope you're doing well and staying safe. I am super excited about today's recipe because we're making pizza chaffles. I love pizza. It is my favorite food, so I'm all about anything pizza related. And two, I got into an argument with one of my friends the other day. She had the nerve to tell me that my waffle maker was a waste of money. The nerve. So I'm about to show her and you guys that there are many ways you can use your waffle maker outside of making waffles. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's recipe. The first thing you want to do is preheat your waffle maker. Check. The second thing you want to do is put the broiler setting on because we're going to use it at the very end. Now we're going to combine our ingredients to make our chaffles. Really simple, y'all. Almond flour, you know I love my almond flour. I don't mess around with regular flour anymore. It's super processed. This stuff is literally golden powder. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna add these in here. One more scoop. Ta-da! Then I'm gonna put some salt. My baking powder. I am using a gluten-free baking powder, but you can't get your hands on that. You can get regular baking powder. And then last but not least, my eggs. So, oh, I forgot. For those who may not have heard of chaffles, chaffles are cheese plus waffles, chaffles. It's like a thing, y'all. So it was a big deal maybe like 2, 3, maybe 4 years ago. And it's been a while actually since I've had some chaffles. And I said, why not? I haven't even used that in my on the YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I mix all my ingredients. I forgot one thing, the most important thing, the mozzarella. Bam. So I'm gonna take my whisk. I'm so pissed. I usually use a smaller whisk, my medium-sized one. I can't find it anywhere. So I'm just gonna use this. I have a thing about my products. Like, I like certain like utensils. And so when I don't find them or like I lose them, it's a thing. And it's just not the same when I use different ones. Is that how you are too? I don't know. I'm very particular about my equipment. Okay, so we're stirring that in. I'm going to get up closer for you to see. Just mix all those ingredients together. Now we're going to put the mixture into the waffle maker. My waffle maker's green lights are on, so it's done preheating. Yay. And I have the Cuisinart double-sided waffle maker. Y'all, this thing is so legit. I feel so fancy. You know how they do that at the restaurants and hotels? Like, that's how I feel. To be honest, that's the only reason why I bought this waffle maker. Sorry, not sorry. So, it's on, smoking, ready to go. Grab whatever cooking spray you're gonna use to spray this down. I'm using my 4th and Heart ghee oil. Y'all, this is my jam. Like, I don't know where I've been, but I saw this like 2-3 weeks ago. All about the ghee oil. Like, move over Pam cooking spray. And I'm gonna take some of the batter. Look at that. And just spread it across the face of the waffle maker. You want to be careful not to put too much in or else it won't close. But I think this looks good. Okay. I'm happy with this one. I'm gonna close it, lock it in, and guess what, guys? Bam! Turn it over. Do the same thing for the other one. And if you want to get more information about this waffle maker, or even get your hands on one, I will put the link in the description box below for you. But yeah, this is definitely my jam. That may have been a little too much, but we'll see if I can close it. Yeah, good. All right, so I'm gonna let these cook for a little bit and then we'll be right back. My waffle maker started to beep and the green light came back on, so it means it's good and ready to go. Whoa, okay, I'll be right back. I'm back. back. Okay, we had a little situation. It's all good. So I have my pan, got mine from USA Pan. I'll put more information down below if you want that. Get your hands on it. And I'm gonna use foil. There we go. And I'm gonna open this. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Let me grab a fork. This is super hot and I need to be careful when I take it out. Amazing. I'll come closer in a little bit. Flip this one over. It's done because the green light's also on. Now it's time to top the Chaffles. Savers, this is what it looks like up close. Nice and golden and goody. Now, one of the reasons why I love this recipe is because it's great for people with various types of preferences. So I do eat meat, but I have a lot of friends who are plant-based. So you can also enjoy this pizza without having to put a ton of toppings on, like sausage or pepperonis. Now, I'm gonna do a little bit of both. So I have my marinara sauce. You can use, honestly, any type of tomato-based sauce. I'm a sauce queen, so I kind of go in on the sauce, but again, it's totally up to your preference. I use the remaining cheese we had from when we made the batter. Gosh, I just love pizza. It's so versatile. And there's something for everyone is what I say. And I also love things to be ooey gooey. So again, I'm kind of gonna go in on the cheese as well, and I'm not gonna feel bad about that. And oh, I forgot my pepperonis, because I like pepperonis, so I'm gonna add them. I just love a pepperoni pizza, super classic, my favorite kind of pizza. What is yours? I would love to know in the comments, like what kind of pizzas do you like? What are your favorite toppings? Honestly, you could definitely still incorporate those with this recipe. All right, y'all. Told you I was gonna go in on the cheese. Okay, so one's a plain cheese chaffle, the other's a pepperoni pizza chaffle. Let me get in close for y'all. Now I'm going to broil them. All right, friends, so I took the chaffles out of the oven. I love a good, like, crispy chaffle situation. You can broil yours for as long as you want, but I like it crispy and ooey gooey. So let me grab a fork because I don't want to burn my fingers. This is super hot. And it's steaming, y'all. Let me actually bring my plate closer. This cannot fall on the floor. Ooh, yes, that cheese. So I'm going to decorate or attempt to decorate my pizza. I am, as I say, not the most artistic, creative, yes, artistic, questionable, working on it, you know? And so we want to put a little greenery on our chaffle situation. And then top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Told you I was gonna go in with the cheese. Look at that, beautiful. Okay guys, I probably should wait, but I'm hungry. And if I burn my taste buds, oh well, look at that. Okay, I'm actually a little nervous to burn my taste buds. Oh, we're going. This is amazing. Look at the steam. Can you see the steam coming out of this? It's probably like gonna burn me again. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. That's just rude. I mean, the cheese, everything came together. This is it. Easy, easy. If you're kitchen challenged, this is for you. If you have kids at home, they would love to make this recipe, I'm sure. And it's easy for kids to make with you. Yeah, this is chaffles on my jam. I think I'm gonna make another recipe for Chaffles. If you want to see more Chaffle recipes like this video, put your comments below somewhere. Let me know. Yeah. I forgot how much I love these. Well, Savorers, that's it for today's recipe. Thanks so much for watching. To get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions, you know what to do. Visit my website, savoringwithsaba.com. I'll have more information about the waffle maker I made and obviously other delicious recipes for you to try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and happy savoring. I love Chaffles.